Welcome to BUP Admission Tutorial 2018. In 6 steps, you can complete your admission application process. Visit our website at www.bup.edu.bd and click on the circular, which is at the right side of the web page, to learn details about admission eligibility and criteria. Step 1. Choose program and sign up. Click on the Apply Now button to choose your desired program of study. If you want to apply for undergraduate program, choose your desired faculty from the following list. You can apply for one or multiple faculties at a time. To apply for each faculty, you have to pay 750 taka. Choosing a faculty will allow you to select and prioritize departments under that faculty. Click Apply and fill in your personal details and educational qualifications. For O and A level, you can calculate your GPA and total points from this table. Double check that you've given correct email address and mobile number. Once complete, click Next. If you are eligible, you will receive payment ID and payment link through an email and SMS. Step 2. Payment. You can choose to pay the form fees by clicking on Pay Now through both credit and debit card, mobile financial, or any available online payment method. You can also choose to pay later. Following the payment link in your mail or from the home page with your payment ID, you can pay the fees. Step 3. Sign in. Once the payment is done, you will receive an SMS containing user ID and password. You can now log in to the main application form. Step 4. Form fill-up. Fill up your basic information. On completion, choose your desired subjects on priority basis. Now provide remaining education details. Fill in information details of your parents and guardian. Give your present and permanent address and extracurricular activities you performed. Step 5. Photo and signature upload. Upload a scanned copy of your passport-size photo, not more than 150 kilobytes, and signature to complete the application. Step 6. Declaration and final submission. Make sure the information is valid and true. Click Final Submit to complete the application. You will receive a confirmation SMS in your given mobile number. For more details, visit our website and see Admission Advertisement Session 2018-2019. Important notes: you will not get your admit card unless you complete the application form. A list of eligible candidates for written exam will be published on the date given in circular. A list of qualified applicants on written test will be published and will be called for viva voce. Follow this simple and easy process to apply and ensure your place for higher education in Bangladesh University of Professionals. For any queries, you can mail us at admission@bup.edu.bd or can call our helpline 09666 790 790.